Peace, peace, family, peace, Empress Crissy. Welcome to the channel. I want to come and do a quick discussion about the energy of money. I will admit that I didn't really understand this myself until a few years ago. The energy of money is neither positive or negative. The energy of money is neutral. They will tell you that money is the root of all evil, which is not saying that money is evil, but we've been given this belief or this story that a lot of money is equated with evilness. And when you stop and think about it, how can money be evil, really, when there's so many good things or great things that are in the world with money? Money could be used for evil and money could be used for good. So that means that money is neutral. And it's very, very, very important that you understand and understand that. Because if you believe that money is evil or money is negative in any kind of way, you are pushing money away from you. The truth of the matter, money is neutral. It's not even, I thought money and love was the same frequency. It's not. It ain't the same frequency as love either. Because love has its own frequency, which is not neutral. Love is one of the highest frequencies that we can have of emotion, is love. Really understanding this really helped me when it came to money flow in your life. Just basic, everyday money flow. Why is it important? It is important because in the 3D, which we are in majority of the time, money is what we use to exchange. Whether it's coins, whether it's check, money order, credit card, debit card, it all equates to money. You gotta have for your car note, your water bill, your gas bill, to eat, to do whatever. So that's why money is really an important topic or an important thing to grasp and to really get the real true understanding of it. It's neutral. And it's also a vibrational frequency that you can tap into. You will find on my channel, because I've been using music to manifest now for a couple of years, but I only made it for me. But this week I started putting music on my channel to help with the subliminal, the subconscious programming for the for money mindset and for money abundance. Cause let's face it, everybody has some kind of money or something, Bitcoin or something, to be able to pay your bills and take care of yourself in this reality. It's just what it is. So to me, as a coach in this space, I have to come and mention about the energy frequency of money. It is neutral. It's going to flow to you in its neutral state. That's the vibration of it. So you don't want to think that it's negative and it not come to you because you think it's negative. It's not positive or negative. It's neutral. So when you get, kind of sit with that and get it, then you can use that. And I'm gonna discuss too about being neutral about everything. Neutrality. Being neutral in this space and time right now. Being neutral is the best way to be right now with everything. Be neutral. I just want to talk about the frequency of money, the vibration of money. And I just said it 1,000 times, but it's neutral. That shift alone is going to help you in some way when it comes to money. All right, with that, I will go ahead and let you guys go for today. Subscribe to the channel, like and share this with a friend or family or whoever you think may want to hear this information just like you. And I'm out. Peace with love, Empress.